Okay, well, finally got parts, well, some parts to fix the brake pedal, brake lever I ordered. Apparently didn't get ordered, so it'll be coming in later this week, hopefully. But I've got to get this boy fixed here. Pretty simple ordeal. Just gotta take out these two bolts here, and then that gets back here. You gotta take out a couple springs. Can't really see them too well in there, but springs, another clip, and another bolt. So yeah, I'll get to it. Okay, so these take 8mm Allen wrench. Get loose. Of course. Forgot about the brake lock on it. Okay, so we have two springs we got to take out, and then there's a ring clamp right about there. Okay, and that is a, that is kind of annoying because it looks loose back on itself. This one should be able to get out. Nope. Maybe we should take the ring off. Get here so I can see and hit the camera at the same time. Oh, of course, I forgot. There are cotter pins to get out. Okay, got some pliers. Gotta okay. Well, the damn cotter pin broke. The fuck? Hey. That's awesome. That at least just pulls out, and that detaches this whole thing. Alright, that's one off, and that one off. And that's pretty much just how you replace the brake lever. So just those 2 springs there, and the master cylinder, I believe that is a little guy. But now I'm gonna have to go get another cotter pin. Alright, well, here is the new brake lever, all nice and whole, I guess you could say, in comparison to the old brake lever. You can see got twisted up pretty good. And there's the damage from the hole. If we try and put them side by side, can't even really see what the difference is. Mostly you can tell that's a lot more bent there than there. Alright, new cotter pins acquired, and you can tell it's kind of dark out here. Going to get these cost me my light, pretty much. But we should be able to get stuff done pretty quickly here. So what we need to do is put on my phone light. All I can do is just sit that right there. Essentially, you need to get this hook back in. Okay, well, it is a new day. I got to actually do shit last night, and I got everything bundled back up, but I didn't have any brake lights, it seemed. So I'm wondering if I have to adjust this right here. Can't really see it very well, but this little nut here is controls the light for the brake light, but it seems to be on all the time right now. And it's pulling forward on it, so it should be working. But we're gonna see, because so to get a good view, it is this right here that you have to move. There's like no light there for it to see, but course, there's a plate on the back, so you can't get to it from the back side. So going like this with 2 freaking fingers is about all you can do. It's plastic, so you can't really. You could use tools on it, but. I don't see any difference in the change of color at all. I had to back it up, screwing counterclockwise, so the glut, you want it to be like circling towards you, essentially counterclockwise, and that got it to where you can see, ow, the light is on, brake light not on. So if we were to so you see front brake on, off, works fine. Rear brake goes very, a little bit of pressure comes on, goes off. And then I also resting foot on it, not on. Press down is on, off. Just like we want. So that is pretty much it. So now I know, and now I guess everybody else will know if your brake light is shining. Is it shining? If it's shining all the time, adjust that nut, and it should be good to go.
All right. Well, I have got the brake lever finally in. So about to put that on. Really quick install for this. Nice OEM brake lever. Yep. Should do pretty good for me. It was the other side. I hate these little cases. Really, I just need a screwdriver. This, and the Gonna go take this broken one off. Well, this is, yeah, that's right. One, I just need to make sure it's on. Loosen. And just do that. I also got to screw this side out, apparently. There's that. And the broken one is off now. Well, that was set to 2. So that's what it looks like it's set to 2 as well. I didn't play around with adjusting any of these yet. So there we go. Where'd that bolt go? My pocket, I know it right there. There we go. All right. Now back to the socket, flip it back. I don't know if this has to have a specific torque spec on it, but we're going to call that good. Oh yeah, much easier. Much easier to grab the brake now.